What's up, guys? They want you another video. Today is a cool day, as you guys can see. There's a red Cybertruck, which I've never seen a red one, bro. That is sick. Kevin, you're running all the red lights, bro. They're all red. No plates. Bro, our homie David, you guys might know David, Blue Beauties on Instagram. He has the blue McLaren 765, right? Yeah. And then the blue Huracan Performante convertible. You guys have seen his cars in the vlogs before, but he just picked up a Cybertruck, and this is not a regular Cybertruck. It's supposed to be like the beast, I guess, tri-motor one. It's supposed to be insane. I'm sure you can park here. Like the pillars are orange.
It's meant to be.
And the orange lime rock, G. Damn, looks like your house.
Wow.
That's hilarious. But yeah, today David picks up the Cybertruck, guys, which is pretty crazy. That's the first person that I know personally that has got a Cybertruck. And you guys know, we gotta make him give us a ride in there or something. I guess this one's supposed to be the tri-motor, which I think might be the one and the only ones on the streets so far. We'll find out right now, but all the ones you guys have been seeing on Instagram or on Rodeo Drive or driving around LA, they're all like the dual motor, so they're like the base version, I guess, base model. David went above and beyond and got the highest model you can get. What, 0 to 60 in like 2 seconds or something? And all this crazy specs. I'm sure David knows all the specs. So
he got it fully loaded to the max.
Fully loaded. It's freaking sick. And I'm sure he's gonna wrap it blue like his McLaren and his freaking Huracan. But go check it out right now. I've never been to a Tesla dealership before, but everyone's gonna take delivery of cars. There's like a couple Cybertrucks in there. I wish that I would have put an order in for a Cybertruck. That would have been sick. Bro, imagine we placed an order for the Cybertruck. It would have been sick, bro. We're gonna get hit.
We can do it right now. Let's place the order.
So, this is gonna be sick, bro. I want to drive in it. I've never sat inside one. But David's so excited. Look at all of us with our cameras, bro. Holy crap, there's so many, bro. Oh my god. This is a little show, guys. No way, bro. There's literally like smoke and everything. That's freaking sick. Pretty sure that one's David's right there. That's a presentation, bro. They're all synced to each other. What the heck? Look at them. Dude. Everyone's mouth is just open, like speechless. More. That's hilarious, bro. Damn, that is sick. That's a presentation, bro. Look how many there are. Dude, there's so many Cybertrucks. This shit is crazy. This is the most I've ever seen too. Imagine one day when all these are on the road just driving. Like, this is just the normal now. What's up, bro? How's it going? They really did a whole show for David right now. That is hilarious. They're all synced to each other too. They got the smoke machines.
Did they like take a cover off of it?
It just was pretty much like this.
It was real. It was like that. Yeah.
Comment down below. First things first, before we even get into more of the video, do you guys like the Cybertruck? Comment down below, yes or no. I like it. I know a lot of people don't like it. A lot of people are saying it looks stupid. It looks ugly. It's definitely ugly, but it's like a cool looking ugly, bro. This is sick. I'm sure David's gonna wrap it blue. If you guys don't know, it has the biggest windshield, I think, in history of cars. Look how big that windshield is. And biggest windshield wiper. That shit is huge, bro. Holy crap. They also said these are so sharp that they're worried that if this thing got into a car accident, that it would actually hurt someone else. Did you know that? What? They said that these edges are so sharp that if this gets into a car accident, or if this T-bones someone, like, you can actually hurt someone bad, bro. Like, you should go through a car.
You know, they should put like little pads here.
The edges, the edges are too sharp, bro.
Dude, it makes me want one.
I want one just bad, bro. I want one so bad.
Look at the windshield wiper.
Bro, I heard that it's the biggest windshield in the world and biggest windshield wiper in the world.
I just saw that. It's only one.
Yeah, just one windshield wiper.
Oh, I see.
It's like actual.
Bro, that's crazy.
I don't put your fingers on the metal. Whatever you do, bro, don't touch the metal.
No, it's pushing the thing.
Dude.
It's so sick.
Damn, Alcantara?
That's just hard.
Bro, this is bad ass. I feel like this is gonna be David's new favorite car.
For sure.
He's not even gonna want to drive the McLaren.
This is what he's gonna be driving all the time.
He's for sure gonna take this to Rodeo every day.
Oh yeah.
I already know David, bro.
Look how far this opens, bro. bro.
Wow, bro, the steering wheel's crazy. I know, for sure.
Oh man, this is unreal.
David, you're not even gonna drive the McLaren no more.
Ooh, you smell this? I mean, I think the 0 to 60 is pretty close to the McLaren.
We should race them one day too.
You'll see
For a video. I like how they did everything blue too for David. All his blue cars. Wow, I can't believe David actually bought this, guys. Look at the screen in the back.
Yeah, I'm like looking at, you know.
The whole roof is freaking glass.
Put stars in here?
Can you?
Yeah.
Oh, he's going to, huh?
For sure. Yeah, he's gonna be the first one.
I think I saw him put that. It's cool though to see like a car enthusiast get one of these because a lot of people are like, I feel like won't modify them. He's gonna mod it, guys. He's gonna wrap it. He's gonna put stars in it. And I'm sure he's gonna drive the hell out of it too. I don't know if you've seen him in person or not, but bro, it's big in person, bro. Like it's a big old car, dude. It's huge. And it has such a road presence, bro. Like everyone looks at him. Again, this is not the base model. This is the tri-motor. What the? Look at it. Do you guys see that?
Yeah, just check. If there's none other, then I mean that's how it is. You know, that's how.
Look at Dave. He's already trying to clean it, bro.
No, you gotta find any. You gotta find any blemishes, bro.
He's already trying to wipe it.
Yeah. That's the difference. Yeah. Hey, that's how you guys know. If you guys didn't notice yet, this little tiny thing right here is like the M package, bro. That's how you can tell. Oh, look, it's going up. Look at it going up. Oh,
the
it's
whole
going
car's moving. I know. So that little logo? That is the beast mode, guys. I guess.
Lowers the suspension. Oh, that's different.
Yeah, you can see that. That's how you know it's the big boy, the tri-motor.
That little thing.
Oh.
Dude.
Damn.
Man, look at the lights in there too.
Sheesh. Whoa.
Damn.
Oh.
That's crazy. we're all like little kids, bro. Bro, this is freaking sick. I'm in love with it, bro. I swear. Bro, that is sick.
You can stand on that mug. That's crazy. I probably won't do it like everybody else did, but
You could support 300 pounds.
I know.
You gotta do it.
Oh wow,
Bro, feel that.
it's good.
Damn.
Oh yeah, it's good, solid,
It's
huh?
not, what is this made out of?
Same way you clean like a fridge is the same way you're gonna
Same thing as a fridge, bro. You gotta get like fridge cleaner probably.
yeah.
Instead of detail spray.
This is clean.
Oh, I wonder if you could put magnets on. The same way you clean a fridge is the way you clean this car, guys. What? Bro.
I feel like throwing something at it just to see if it's
Oh, we could hit it, huh?
As a
I could
prank?
shoot it with my gun. Supposedly it's bulletproof too, guys. On top of all that, I think it could take like a 9mm bullet, which is freaking crazy. This is crazy. Bro, this one's sick. This is what you guys saw when we drove in. Satin red, got carbon fiber here, new wheels. Even changed the headlights too.
They're kind of still prototype, but
Bro, I've never seen a red one, bro. That's crazy. What the? Is that like rap? That's funny. I'm telling you, if I got one, I'd do it chrome, guys. Something crazy. Because it's already a crazy looking car. Imagine a crazy looking wrap. Look at the rear wheels. Rear wheel steering too. This thing got everything, bro. Bulletproof, rear wheel steering. 0 to 60 in 2 seconds, bro. It's honestly sick, bro. I don't know why anyone would talk crap about it. It does look weird, but bro, it's like everyone's gonna look at it. It's something you never see on the road. This is like the first car I feel like of the future. Like eventually in the future, I feel like everything's gonna be like this. But right now, to have it, like bro, it just breaks everybody's neck. Every time you see one, people pull out their phones. And then imagine a red one, bro, or like blue or something.
orange.
Nah, G. This thing will look cool in any
On
color.
air suspension, some wheels.
I know there's already renders of people lowering them, wide body them. Another one, guys. Everyone's taking delivery today. I guess it's like different modes of like height. This is to the max, bro. It's huge. All right, we're about to take it for a little drive. Hopefully we can get a ride along in it, but we'll for sure get some outside clips. Guys, very random, but we're about to drive my buddy's Tesla. Look at this. This is his YouTube channel if you guys want to see it. Super sick. This is the red one we were just showing you. And he asked me if I wanted to drive it, so I can't pass that up. Dude, this is crazy. I did not expect to drive a Cybertruck today.
Yo, delivered to a Cybertruck, now you get to drive one.
Wow, this is insane. It's so crazy in here.
What do you think about like the dash?
It's huge. I was about to say that. It's so big. I can't even get to the end of it.
Have you driven a Tesla before?
I've driven a Model 3 and Model Y.
Okay. So
Never
no S or X.
No, not an X, not an S.
So you're just skipping all that
Yeah.
to go to a truck.
This is crazy. Probably the first Cybertruck, right? With stars?
First Cybertruck with stars, and first
Damn.
Cybertruck that was red wrapped, and first
Yeah.
Cybertruck that was lowered, and then first Cybertruck with the RGB headlights.
You're the first to do everything. I remember seeing this wrapped all over Instagram, and I was like, whoa, there's a red one. That's the color I would probably do.
Yeah. Yoko Virgins drove it. Manny Koshibin drove it. Like,
Oh, this is the
bunch
one
of-
that Vehicle Version
Yeah.
showed. That's cool. He was just showing me that. That's all it turns. That's left and right.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all
it.
it turns. And you can see the rear wheel steering right there too. That is wild. It feels so crazy driving this. It's huge. That one thing I noticed, there's a lot of blind spots. It is kind of scary driving this thing. It's such a big truck. Look at everyone looking. Every single person looks, guys. It doesn't matter who it is or how old they are. Look at You can just film the outside people reactions all day. It's really fast. We put it in sport mode and it's actually really fast. I'll see if I can step on it when the cars go up more. Oh! That's crazy. It really pulls your head back too. Oh! Sick.
It's like a roller coaster.
Literally. This is cool. I like the little blinkers, guys. Look at that's how you put the blinker on. With little buttons. There's a lot of getting used to in this car. The driving wise, everything.
It's the future.
Yeah. That's why I told them, guys, it feels like I'm driving something from the future. Smooth. The steering wheel is weird. Everything's just weird, bro. I'm not used to it, but it's cool. I like it a lot.
This guy! No wonder why you're driving so slow.
I'm scared, bro. I'm scared to drive it. It's so weird driving, huh?
First time we both drove it.
I know. That's what I was telling him. It was your first time, my first time, bro.
But bro, this is crazy, huh?
Yeah, this is insane.
It's so quiet in here.
I know. You see everybody looking?
No.
Everybody's staring, bro. Look
I'm
at
trying to look. I don't see nobody there.
everybody's looking, bro.
I'm so distracted. I'm like, focus.
Dude, it's very
Like
scary driving
settings and
this.
Stuff, you know?
Yeah.
Did you step on it yet?
No.
No?
A little bit, but not.
Try it.
You didn't either, apparently.
I stepped on it a little bit.
Yours is gonna be
Did you
ridiculous.
take it out of the chill mode?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, shoot. Bro, it pulls hard. It's probably just as fast as the GTR, probably,
I think
bro.
so. Well, GTR is what, 0 to 60 in like 3?
I'm not too sure, but
This is 0 to 60 in 4.
wow.
I guess it's like that instant torque that's faster
Yeah.
than GTR, I bet, because turbo lag.
Feels faster than GTR, guys, which is crazy in a big old truck like this.
There's actually only one way to find out.
I know. We gotta race. As soon as I get my car back, we're gonna race the Cybertruck, guys. That'll be an insane video.
Yeah. It's
be
like all the
crazy.
GTR fanboys and
Yeah.
the Cybertruck. Oh,
Dude, that'll be a sick video. Then David's, I think it's
6.
2.6 seconds, because it's the beast mode one.
Yeah.
It looks so crazy. Look at everyone looking, guys.
I'm just looking at
Oh, oh my god. Everything just went flying.
I'm confused.
What's up, guys?
How much was that?
It starts at 60.
60K?
Yeah, starts.
Well, guys, that was insane. If you guys want to see me drive it more, we filmed it all on his channel. So go to his channel right here. I'll leave it linked down below as well. But that's his channel if you guys want to check out his Cybertruck. And like I said, go to his channel too if you guys want to see me drive it, because I filmed a lot. Well, we filmed a lot of it on his channel. This was sick. Shout out to him for letting me drive this car. This truck. I did not expect to drive a Cybertruck today. We literally were supposed to just film David's Cybertruck pickup, and now we got to drive one. So that was sick. I was not expecting to drive one. I have been wanting to drive one. It's been like a dream of mine to drive one. And yeah, we finally did it. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. What other color would be better than red? This is literally the color I would do it probably. Now we're back in the United 2, guys.
Wait, do you think they like that 32?
No, G. No one likes this car.
It's too old.
This old ass car. Just bro, it's crazy because we were talking about that. Like, even in a bright orange car, it still gets more
getting
attention. And like, imagine his McLaren, his
my God.
Huracan. I feel like that still gets more attention.
Soldier Boy! It's Soldier Boy! Bro, it's Soldier Boy! What the
It is, though. It's Soldier Boy.
It is Soldier Boy!
What the? Bro,
What the fuck?
you just thought David would go back and vlog
He
with
is gonna
him.
go back. Look. Yo, you know who that was, right? That's the rapper, Soulja Boy. He was trying to talk to
that was
you.
him.
He was trying to. I swear to God, David, I swear.
In the green BMW?
No, in the Challenger. Yeah, they were yelling at you like to stop.
Well, let's go back.
Let's go back. Go.
I think it is.
Bro, I'm gonna tell him sign me, bro. Like I want to be like an artist.
Shut up, bro.
I'm serious.
If that's really him, that's crazy. Play some Soulja Boy real quick.
Calm
Crank
down.
that Soulja Boy?
I swear.
Bro, stop. Turn this shit off, dude. That's so embarrassing, bro.
I got this new damn.
Soulja Boy. Oh. Sign me to the label.
Bro, what if it's actually him?
It is him, bro.
He wants to see the Cybertruck. Soulja Boy, guys. He's really liking the truck, bro.
That is hilarious.
This is so random, bro. Soulja Boy just wants to check him out.
Yes, sir.
Do it.
I'm gonna connect, bro.
I'm trying to get like you, man. I'm the small dog.
Hey,
I'm trying to move up.
Try to get like me. I'm trying to get like you. I'm trying to get like each other.
That's what's up.
Nah, y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Soulja Boy outside.
That's right.
Pull up to the SODMG store. It's my boy first day pulling out in that Cybertruck.
First day, just
Elon,
Like an hour.
You better know what's going on.
We gotta get Soulja Boy in one of these quick.
Yeah.
Quick.
Yeah.
We're about to do it. That's
Know
what's
that.
up.
People you run into in LA and the connections you can make.
Exactly.
Do you guys see what I'm talking about? A lot of people are commenting like, oh, you only want a car so you could, like, how, you only want a car so you can meet other people? This is what I mean, though. Like, bro, having a Cybertruck will get you connections like that.
He literally got Soulja Boy's
That's
number.
literally, he got Soulja Boy's number just like that.
Follow
And
up
who
on
knows
IG,
where that connection
bro.
is
That's
gonna
crazy.
go, you know? That's what I mean by when I said, like, a watch can help connections and an R8 could help connections.
Supercars.
Stuff like that. I pull up in a crazy ass, loud ass R8 with a crazy rap on it. I'm sure Soulja Boy would be like, what the fuck?
100%.
But I drive by in a G80 that everyone else has. That's
It's like regular
the perfect example of what I'm trying to say. Same with the watches and stuff like that. I feel like.
Yeah, 100%.
Like it's a conversation starter,
100%.
literally. So yes, a supercar can also help you make different connections and stuff like that, and network with different people. And especially being in LA, you don't ever like realize the people you can run into. I mean, what Soulja Boy, bro?
So random, bro.
And that's day one of him with the Cybertruck. Imagine how many other connections he can make with the Cybertruck. You can use it to make more money. To be honest, that's what's crazy. Okay. That's insane. You know how many necks they broke today?
A lot.
Total?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.